Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 70 and today I'm going to show you how to force restart this watch. And force restart could be useful if something is not working on your watch properly. Maybe it's a bit slowish, unresponsive, maybe it doesn't want to connect to your phone or something like that. You could try to force restart the watch and hopefully that will solve your problems. So let's get started. And to force restart the watch, you need to press and hold the light button and keep holding it for about, I would say, 10-15 seconds, basically until you see the Garmin logo on the screen. If you see this pop up, don't release the button, just keep holding it. And after the screen turns off, keep holding the button for a few seconds more. And if you don't see any logo on the screen, you can release the button. And if you see the logo on the screen, you can release the button as well. And after few seconds or even more than a few seconds, the watch will be done rebooting like this. And that's how you force restart this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.